在这一个世纪的百年记忆，任由命运千年周旋，我只归属。只想用泪看你眼，流淌古老故事，征服一切疑虑，直面所有恐惧。奔跑如猎豹，胜负已决在即，耳边流传如此真切而散然。我只在左右一当山水，当随意摆动，你以何去从生活故事代数 ？Every step I take a story unfolds. In the maze of life, where the mysteries are told. Dance of uncertainty, embrace the unknown. For in the chaos, lies the seeds that I've sown. I'm carving my path, new chapters align. I forge my own journey, let fastness be spread. I'm pushing through right now, beneath the earth's crust, yeah. I've woven my tales, create the amazing. Go get it, get out my way. The noise and the fray. Create what you want, yeah. Create what you want, yeah. Create what you want, yeah. Create the amazing. The lesser the reward, will you rise and meet, or fade without a sound? Digging deep within, where my mysteries are found. In this grand symphony, what will you do now? For within the flow, we discover our grace. Embracing challenges, we will find our place. Let's go through this and find our peace. Let's move past this and find our faith. Memories from a century long past, bound by destiny, finding our place at last. Traveling around the world to see your eyes, hold ancient tales, conquering doubts, facing all the fears straight up. Riding like a cheetah, ready for a bout. In my years, harmonies playing true and right, moving left and right, up and down, side to side. Yeah, what you wanna do, living stories yet to be told. 背部的张开一个故事，在生活的迷宫中呈现奥秘。我将与火共舞，拥抱未知，混沌之中藏着我播下的种子，开辟自己的路，新篇章新志气，我已踏上征程，让浩瀚蔓延。我正努力前行，在那地壳之下编织我的故事，创造奇迹。Go get it.